Immerse yourself in the enchanting world of hair luminance and uncover the secrets to achieving the hair of your dreams. Within the pages of this revolutionary ebook, you'll discover a treasure trove of easy-to-follow recipes and expert insights that will breathe new life into your locks. Feel a sense of anticipation and excitement as you embark on this transformative journey towards healthier, more radiant hair. With Hair Luminance as your trusted companion, embrace the opportunity to explore new ingredients and techniques that will elevate your hair care routine to new heights. Feel empowered as you take control of your hair's destiny, knowing that each step you take brings you closer to the vibrant, beautiful hair you desire. Let the wisdom of Hair Luminance inspire you to prioritize self-care and embrace a holistic approach to hair health. With each turn of the page, feel a renewed sense of connection to your hair and to the natural world around you, knowing that you hold the key to unlocking your hair's true potential. Trust in the transformative power of Hair Luminance to revolutionize your hair care routine and unleash the full potential of your locks. With dedication and perseverance, watch as your hair undergoes a miraculous transformation, becoming a radiant expression of your inner beauty. Let Hair Luminance be your guiding light on this journey towards hair perfection, and revel in the joy of watching your hair thrive.